This is Dina Okba. I'm a miniaturist and I do the art of recycle. If this is the first time you know me, so see my videos, and if you like them, subscribe to my channel. I really need your support. I need a lot of comments. I need a lot of activity on my channel, because will help me a lot and help the channels to grow up. So hit the notification bell on all so you can see all my videos. And I need your opinion and what we can do, what else we can do. Yeah, that's it. Thank you.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Let's get started now. Okay, so we have this plastic container. I find it in a shop and I got it, and I'm using here the salt dough. It's homemade. I have a recipe on my channel. I'll just see the size of it like this. Then I divide it to 3 pieces, 3 portions, 1 big and 2 small. Then I'll start adding brown color, light brown color, and the other one I'm gonna add little bit orangey color. See, it's a fruit cake, so I'm trying to put the colors of the fruit. And the last one I just put little bit brown, because we need to make some dry fruit like raisin, like a fruit, dry cherries and strawberries and those things. And this is for the dry cherries. Okay, I'll prepare my dough, the colors, and I make sure that I always cover them so they will not dry. Now I have to divide them like this and cut them like this. I don't want to use my hand. I can use a grinder like the one for the garlic. I keep one special for the craft only. I will tell you why I'm doing it like this. You know, when we make the crust for the tart, we should not knead it too much because we need it to be fluffy. So this is the same style. Now here I use it like this. And a little bit of the dark. Okay, here I'm adding real cinnamon. The reason for that it will have like some spices, and it will give a Christmassy flavor. And I put little bit vanilla as well, so the cake will really smell nice. Here I'm cutting some raisins and I mix them all. Try not to mix too much. I just want to mix them, but still I need to add some of the cinnamon. See the textures? I eat cinnamon. Okay, now see the texture. It is really like a cake, fluffy. Okay, now it's ready. I use this cookie cutter and I put pressure, and I cut some raisins, and I put them this way. Now with the brush I give a tone to the cake from up and from the sides. And also I will make it little bit darker from down. That's why I'm adding little bit dark. And because I put the color, I just clean them, because I want to see red and brown with this air cotton. I will roll it on the sandpaper down, so I will have some textures. Now with this tool I'll try to do this like that. So, but don't put too much pressure, so it will give the feeling of cake. Tell me in the comments if you want me to make minced pie and mulled wine, then I can prepare them. I'll make a video for that. Okay, like that. Now those pieces, I don't throw them. I will need them for the decoration. I'll bring the plate and I cut it. Now cut it easily like this. I put it in the freezer for at least 15 minutes. Then I take it, still it's cold, so it's easy for me to make those designs and to make it from inside like that. It's very important to put it in the freezer so it will become hard. Then I can do this design and it will not be like melting with me or bend or something like that. I have to do it quickly. And those pieces fall down, I'm gonna use them on the side of the plate so it give a realistic look. I add here the dry fruit and the raisin, which I made them from the sourdough as well, from both sides. See, I put them in the plate here. Now I have this baby powder. I will use it as a sugar, powder sugar. I put it on top. Yeah. Now I will decorate it on top. That's the plate, and it is done. I hope you like it. I hope you enjoy the video. Please write in the comments, and as I ask you, please tell me what you want me to do. If you want to do some other stuff, and share my channel, please. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. If you really like the video, please like, share, subscribe, and turn the notification bell. Hope to see you in next video. Bye bye.